Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Which of the following equations has the same solution as 2x squared positive 12x negative 32 equals to 0? That is, in the given answer choices, we have to find the equation that is equivalent to this one. Okay, now let me take the given equation as it is. That is 2x squared positive 12x negative 32 equals to 0. Okay, let me add 32 to both sides of this equation. Let me do it. When I do so, this negative 32 positive 32 will cancel out. I am getting 2x square positive 12x equals to 32. Okay, here now I have to get this expression on the left side as the square of a binomial, because when I consider the left side in each equation in the answer choices, I have the square of a binomial. So I have to write this expression as a square of a binomial. For that, what I have to do is I have to factor the coefficient of x squared, the 2, out from these two terms on the left side over here. Okay, when I factor these two out, then I'm getting x square positive 6x inside the parenthesis. On the right side, we can write this 32 as it is. Okay, even when I distribute this 2 to this x square and this positive 6x, I must be getting the original expression. So that is 2 times x square is 2x square, 2 times 6x is 12x. Okay, now 2 times x square positive, we can write this 6x as 2 times x times 3. Okay, now let me consider an algebraic identity, that is the square of a binomial. So that is a positive the whole square. Okay, now let's get the expansion of the square of the binomial over here. The expansion is a square positive 2ab positive b square. So whenever we have a square of a binomial in this form, a positive the whole square, its expansion is a trinomial. It has to be in the form of a square positive 2ab positive b square. And also, when we have a trinomial in this form, a square positive 2ab positive b square, it can be written as a square of a binomial as we have on the left side over here. Okay, now let's consider the expression we have over here. It's exactly in the form of a square positive 2ab. At the place of a, we have x over here. At the place of b, we have 3. Okay, when I compare the trinomial over here with this one, what is missing? B square is missing. At the place of b, what do we have over here? We have 3. That is 2ab. At the place of b, we have 3. So b square is missing. That is 3 square. We need 3 square. So I add 3 square. To adjust the addition of this 3 square, I subtract 3 square. So that it will become 0 par. Still, this is equal to the original expression x square positive 6x. Okay, equals to 32. Now, 2 times for this trinomial, let's consider a square positive 2 times a times b positive b square. It's exactly in this form. So as I said earlier, whenever we have a trinomial in this form, it can be written as a square of a binomial, a positive the whole square. So for this trinomial, we can write the square of a binomial. There is x positive 3 the whole square. That is a positive the whole square. For a, we have x. For b, we have 3. And we can take this negative sign. And the value of 3 square is 9 equals to 32. Okay, now we can distribute this 2 to this one and this one. When I distribute this 2 to this one, I'm getting 2 times x positive 3 the whole square. When I distribute this 2 to this negative 9, I'm getting negative 18 equals to 32. Okay, now let me take this equation over here. That is 2 times x positive 3 the whole square. Negative 18 equals to 32. Okay, now let me add 18 to both sides. When I add 18 to both sides, negative 18 positive 18 will cancel. I'm getting 2 times x positive 3 the whole square equals to 32 positive 18 is 50. Okay, here this one is a multiple of 2. This one is also a multiple of 2. So now we can divide both sides of this equation by 2 to do further simplification. Okay, when I do so, this 2 will cancel out. I'm getting x positive 3 the whole square on the left side. On the right side, when I divide this 50 by 2, I'm getting 25. Okay, now I got an equation which is equivalent to the given equation over here. And I find this equation x positive 3 the whole square equals to 25. Exactly in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.